guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you my everyday glam look. The palette I did use for this look was the Jaclyn Hill with Morphe palette. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. To start off, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using the Morphe eyelid primer. Now grabbing a Morphe M441, I'm going to pick up the shade Pooter and Pukey and blend that in my crease. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Now grabbing a Wet n Wild blending brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Creamsicle and Butter and blend it above my crease. You can save me. I know you can set me free. To darken up my crease a little bit more, I'm going to pick up the shade Mocha on a Morphe M507. Now I'm just going to go back and forth with the Morphe M441 and the Wet n Wild blending brush just to blend everything out. Shivers run through my spine with the freezing moonlight. And now to cut my crease, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. And the brush I'm using to cut my crease is the Morphe M421. Insane, but it seems like your voice is calling my name. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Now picking up a Morphe M124, I'm going to pick up the shade Silk Creamy and place it all over my eyelid. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, leaving it all behind. And I know you can save me. I know you can. Now grabbing the shade Mocha on a Morphe 507, I'm just going to be placing that on my outer corner. Free. Now grabbing my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, I'm just going to do a wing liner. Now grabbing the NYX glitter liner in the style Crystal Silk, I'm just going to be placing that on my crease. And now to prime my face, I'm going to be spraying the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And now for foundation, I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Desert Beige. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. And for concealer, I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. Insane, but it seems like your voice is calling my name. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Wake me up from my dreams. Next, grabbing my Wet n Wild contouring palette, I'm going to pick up the banana shade and place it under my eyes. Next, I'm going to grab my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to bronze my face. Next, for blush, I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Kirky.
Shivers run through my spine with the freezing moonlight. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly.
For highlighter, I'm going to grab the Laura Geller in the shade Gilded Honey, and the brush I'm going to be using is the Morphe M501.
It's calling my name. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Wake me up from my dreams, full of sadness and tears. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past.
Now grabbing the Morphe M508, I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone and my nose.
I know you can set me free. Free, 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 free.
And now grabbing Puder and Pukey on a Morphe 506, I'm just going to be placing that under my eyes. Now grabbing Creamsicle and Butter on a Morphe M507, I'm just going to be placing that on the bottom of my eyes as well. Now for lips, I'm going to be grabbing my Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade Bow Down.
Shivers run through my spine.
Now to finish the look, I'm just going to be setting my face using the Slay All Day setting spray.
But my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly feel it. Maybe.
And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Like always, please like and subscribe and leave comments down below what you want to see next. I do post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So until then, see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, just gonna give you a little secret. I am planning on doing a giveaway very soon once we hit 500 subscribers. So the giveaway will include a Jaclyn Hill palette and a Slay All Day setting spray and a few other little things. Now I will tell you more about the giveaway in my next tutorial once I have everything, because I did order some stuff. So like always, see you in the next video. Bye guys.